Tracfone offers three main methods to check your data balance, usage, and expiry: the My Account app, the website, and text messages. The My Account app, available on iOS and Android, provides the most detailed information, including graphical breakdowns of data usage and expiry alerts. To use it, download the app, log in with your Tracfone number and PIN, and navigate to the Usage or Plan Details section. Alternatively, you can check via the Tracfone website by logging into your account using your phone number and the last four digits of your SIM card. The dashboard displays your balance, usage history, and expiry date. For a quick check, you can send a text message to 611-611 with keywords like BAL or usage for balance and usage details, though this method provides less detail than the app or website. These methods allow you to monitor your remaining high-speed data, track your data consumption, and stay informed about your plan's renewal or expiry date. For effective data management, use the My Account app for real-time alerts and detailed usage tracking, preventing unexpected overage charges. Trends in 2025 indicate a shift towards digital-first interactions, with app usage increasing due to smartphone adoption. While text methods remain an option, particularly for users in rural areas with limited internet access, they are becoming less common. Looking ahead, expect AI-driven assistance within the app and seamless integration with Verizon's ecosystem for cross-device syncing. Future enhancements may include eco-friendly data capping and higher data allocations with the proliferation of 5G. Experts predict a continued increase in self-service adoption, with a potential phasing out of text methods by 2030 in favor of app-only features. Stay informed about these evolving trends to optimize your Tracfone data usage and plan management.